Hey there, Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1756 of What's She Up To Now, documenting the journey as I've transitioned over my career and my lifetime between the brick and mortar corporate world of business and the online world of business. I'm old enough that I was not an early adopter of the internet and the online world. I was an early adopter in terms of being curious and interested in it, but not as a tool for business. And since 2017, I have learned so much about the internet and so much about how to be successful online that I now, and I believed it, but I wasn't actually doing it before 2017. We all need to have both an online and an offline presence. Whatever your business is, people have got to be able to search it on their cell phones nowadays because almost everybody's got a smartphone. At least billions of people do. And they have to be able to find you in order to do business with you. And so I have really come to believe that you have to have both an offline and an online presence if you really want to be successful at supersizing and growing your business. And that's my group, Supersize Your Business for Female Entrepreneurs. Not just female entrepreneurs, but I like to work with women because in most of my corporate career, I was either the only woman or one of very few women leading those organizations, and those both privately held as well as big corporations. So I got a lot of fun experience championing and setting up systems to help other women succeed, but it wasn't always that fun to be the only woman. It was definitely challenging, and it helped me to develop a tough, thick skin and to understand a lot about people, both positive and negative. So today we're talking about mindset, and that's what saved me in many situations, was having a different perspective, having a different mindset, being able to tap into being flexible and open-minded and understanding and empathetic in order to get through situations that are oftentimes debilitating. So today we shared for Supersize Your Business a bunch of different mind-related idioms. There's dozens and dozens of different idioms that have something to do with our mind and our mindset. And then for the BU 365-day annual challenge this year we're doing one thing every day that improves us. We talked about 12 plus ways to positively impact our mindset, right? We don't want to negatively impact our mindset. That kind of happens automatically. We want to find ways to positively impact that. So I could run through those again now, but they're things we've talked about over and over and over again every time I show up online. You know, asking for help, surrounding yourself with the right people, focusing on the positive, being accountable and responsible for our own thoughts, beliefs, feelings, actions, and experiences, and learning from the bad ones so that we don't repeat them. Learning from our mistakes so we don't repeat them, because we all make mistakes. So traveling for the next few weeks, just got done with my nephew's wedding, which was super fun and awesome I don't even know where it was. It was on the Guadalupe River. They had a big Airbnb where most people stayed. We stayed in tree houses, which was so fun. It's something that I never would have thought that I would have done, but it was beautiful at night. It was all lit up, and these cabins are built in trees along the Guadalupe River. And so we actually had cows in the back fenced area. So it was just very Texan and very, very fun experience. So I'll be traveling and doing that. So you'll see me popping up in all different locations. I see I've got the porch light on my head today. It'll be interesting. If I can help you in any way, ask, because that's one of the ways we positively impact our mindset, is being willing to ask for help, surrounding yourself with the people that are doing the things that we want to do. I would love if you would share in the comments below your favorite mindset hack, or the favorite way you go about changing your perspective or changing your mind about something, or being more open-minded about something, because we all need that sometimes. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.